Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If I'm being completely honest, it's probably been 1 or 2 hours since I filmed the last video. I'm sorry, my phone shut down and I didn't know where else to film because it was raining so hard. But now that I finally got everything set up, it is time to continue with the video. So in my last video, I visited a Texaco and a Mobile, which were like two of the most popular gas stations in my city. And I got a snack and a drink from both gas stations, but I also asked for the employee's favorite snack. So, without further ado, if I can ever take off my glove. So, without further ado, let's start. Let's start with Texaco. So from Texaco, I got a Diet Coke and a Peanut Butter Crunch Feastables. I have to start with this because I've never tried this flavor before. Also, I forgot, I'm rating the gas stations on the food and the experience. Both out of 5 points. And the gas station with the highest rank by the end of the video win the prize. Don't worry, you'll get more details of the prize at the end. So, let's go ahead and... Oh my god, this smells amazing. Oh, you can see the peanut butter in there. Alright, here I go. I'm so excited. No, this is fantastic. Oh, no. 5-second rule. But how is the Diet Coke? Oh my god. I was really thirsty. Yeah. Diet Coke is fire. Okay. It is time for Texaco's rating. And to be honest, I love the Feastables. I love the Diet Coke. I'm gonna have to give it a 4.5. The only reason I'm not giving it a 5 though is because the Feastables and the Diet Coke were a bad combination. I shouldn't have mixed them together, but it's still a 4.5. But as for the experience, there was no music on the inside. There was nice air conditioning, but it wasn't that powerful. It wasn't that good. But the employee was really nice. So as for the experience, I'm going to have to give Texaco a 4 out of 5. Giving Texaco a total score of 8.5. But can they score the bonus point? We got Reese's White, 2 white cream and peanut butter cups. I've never seen these before, bro. Oh man, this looks good. That smells good. No. I cannot even cap this out. I need everybody to go to the local Texaco and get this. They are 100% getting the bonus point. Wash it down. Oh yeah. Texaco, you definitely got the bonus point, bringing their score up to a 9.5. So, the question is, can Mobile win this video? The only way they can get a video is if they get a perfect 10 score. So, from Mobile, I got another Feastables bar, so this time it's an almond Feastables. And for drink, I got Mountain Dew. Just give me a second, I have to swallow the Reese's. That's good. Oh, it got a little bit melted on the way here. It got a little melted, but it's okay. Still gonna be delicious. Oh my. This is amazing. Fantastic. I love festivals. But what about the Mountain Dew? Let me swallow the chocolate first and then I'll drink the Mountain Dew. I'm not gonna do the same mistake with the Coke and festivals. Oh my god. This video turned into a mukbang. If you don't know what a mukbang is, it's like a video where you eat. This video turned into a mukbang. But what I am gonna say is that the employee's favorite snack is pretty good. But let's start with the food. Honestly, I love Mountain Dew. I love the almond feastables. I'm gonna have to give them a 5 out of 5 because it's amazing. But for the experience, I'm not gonna lie. The air conditioning is so much stronger than Texaco. The employees didn't really give me a hint. They didn't really know what their favorite snack was. He didn't really know what to choose, so I had to choose for him. He just said a random candy, so I just chose a random candy. So as for that, I'm gonna have to give him a 4 out of 5. But can they score the bonus point? This is the candy that he pointed me to. Hershey's Whole Almonds. Listen, I love Feastables, but I like Hershey's too, okay? I do like Hershey's, but I like Feastables better. Okay. Once and for all. Can Mobile get the point? Bro. Yo, what the heck? Dude. It was rusty. Yo. The almonds in there are I don't know, they're I mean, the chocolate's good, but the almonds in there are not good. What the heck? Literally, this is insanely not that good. As for that, Mobile, I can't give you the bonus point, which brings your total to a 8.0, which means Texaco wins it. Let's go. Alright, listen guys, if I'm being honest with myself, I don't have a prize for them, but there is one thing I can do. Everybody, go to your local Texaco here in Guayanilla and get yourself some of the best candies and snacks. I feel terrible that I feel terrible that I'm not giving them a prize. I feel terrible that I'm not giving them a prize. I can give them this. See? A heart. Actually, there is one prize that I can give them. Hold on a second, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm gonna give her. This is a very, very, this is a very exciting necklace because I made it myself. It's pretty much, it's a custom made. So, let's hope that she likes it. Así que, como hace un poco de tiempo vine aquí y estaba haciendo un video de YouTube Y quiero decirle que usted ganó la competencia que estaba haciendo.
¿En serio?
Sí. Así que quería darle un regalo. Para usted.
Gracias. Ay, muchas gracias.
De nada.
Muy bonito, gracias.
Gracias, de nada. Let's go. Okay, she secured the prize. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay well, baby. Peace.